Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Ally Invest, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Ally Invest website. Look for the Open an Account button on the home page. Click on that button to start the registration process. You'll be directed to a page where you can choose the type of account you want to open. Select between an individual brokerage account, retirement account, or another option that suits your needs. Once you've made your choice, click on the Get Started button. Fill in your personal information in the required fields. This includes your name, address, email, and phone number. Next, you'll need to provide your Social Security number. Ally Invest may ask for your date of birth for verification purposes. After completing this section, click Continue to move to the next step. Now, review the account agreement and terms of service carefully. Make sure to read through the details and conditions. If you agree, check the box to indicate your acceptance. Proceed by clicking on the Continue button. You will then be prompted to provide financial information. This typically includes your employment status, annual income, and net worth. Fill in each field accurately to help Ally Invest assess your application. After entering your financial details, click Continue once more. Next, you will be asked about your investment experience. Select the appropriate options based on your trading history and familiarity with investments. Once you're done with this section, click the Continue button. You will now need to set up your account preferences. Choose your investment goals and preferred trading settings. After completing your preferences, proceed to the next page. You will need to create a username and password for your account. Make sure to choose a strong password for security. Once your login credentials are set, click Continue. Now, Ally Invest may ask for a funding method for your account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.